Hello everyone, it's me Prapti from eCube IAS and this is the first session of our prelims Atulya. आज हम एक ऐसे टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने जाने वाले हैं जिसने 6th क्लास से हमारा साथ नहीं छोड़ा एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स आवर टॉपिक हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन. आज हम इसकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में बात करते हैं. अभी इट वाज द फर्स्ट अर्बन सिविलाइजेशन इन साउथ एशिया. It is a contemporary to Mesopotamia and Egypt. Mesopotamia is a region of Southwest Asia in the Tigris and Euphrates river system. The word Mesopotamia is formed from the ancient words Meso, meaning between or in the middle of, and Potamus, meaning river. ये तो हमने बचपन में ज़रूर ही पढ़ा होगा. Let's talk about its area. Harappan civilization had the maximum area 8 lakh square kilometers and historians call it the Indus Valley civilization. हम आज इसके कुछ notable features के बारे में बात करते हैं. Let's talk about its shape. Harappan civilization was triangular in shape. Its extent, it roughly covers modern day Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat and Pakistan. Harappan culture. Let's talk about town planning. कितना इंटरेस्टिंग लगता था ना ये टॉपिक, और आज भी ये उतना ही इंटरेस्टिंग है. Town planning. The most interesting urban feature of Harappan civilization is its town planning. It was divided into two parts, a citadel on higher mount on the western side and a lower town in the eastern side. City planning roughly followed a grid pattern and streets ran from north and cut at right angles. Lamp posts were seen at intervals. Also, they used burnt bricks which had an identical ratio of 1:2:4. Let's talk about their drainage system. Of course, this shows कि कितना अच्छा ड्रेनेज सिस्टम था इसका. वही ना, मैंने आपको जैसे बताया कि बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं लेकिन हाथ नहीं छोड़ा इसने आज भी. ड्रेनेज सिस्टम. Mohenjo-daro, Lothal and other cities are known to have a good drainage system. Drains were made of mortar, lime and gypsum. Let's talk about their building and houses. ये चीज़ें हमें शो करती हैं कि ये लोग कितने ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव थे. Let's talk. Houses were often of 2 or more stories. No windows faced the street. The houses had title bathrooms. Some houses had their own wells. Great granaries. There is a building of 60-meter long. Archaeologists call it a structure Great Hall. The Great Public Bath at Mohenjo-daro. सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग तो मेरा टॉपिक था, ये बचपन से ही बहुत पसंद है मुझे. देखिए, its overall dimension was 55 meters by 35 meters. The bathing pool was situated in the middle of the public bath. अब हम इनकी सोसाइटी, आर्ट ऑफ स्कल्पचर एंड क्राफ्ट के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. यहाँ से हमें पता चलता है कि कैसे उनकी जो सोसाइटी थी वो 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड थी, विच वॉज रूलर, रिच मर्चेंट्स एंड पुअर लेबरर्स. They produced tools, beads, bangles, inlay objects, seals, toy objects, household utensils, etc. The diversity of stones and other raw materials used by the Harappans includes steatite, shell, chameleon, copper, bronze, gold, silver and many more. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि कितना कुछ उन लोगों ने अपना यूज़ किया इन चीज़ों को. Iron was not known to Harappans. I emphasize, iron was not known to Harappans. The Harappan art reflected in the form of pottery, paintings, decoration in the beds and sculpture art forms. Also, कुछ evidences पाए गए थे कि वहाँ पे bead maker shops थी at Mohenjo-daro and Lothal. The most notable is the famous slender-limbed statue known as the dancing girl of Mohenjo-daro. कितनी फेमस है ना ये लेडी, आज भी हम इसके बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. Dancing girl of Mohenjo-daro. They also produced a variety of stone sculptures and also red colored terracotta sculptures, which include of course dancing girl, animals like cow, bear, monkeys, and unidentified hybrid animals. The Harappan pictographical scripts were mainly found in the potteries. Indus Valley civilization consists chiefly of wheels made wares, both plain and painted, while the plain pottery is more common than the painted one. Its representation of human form are crude in the Indus Valley. They are more realistic in Gujarat side and Kalibangan. यहाँ हम टेराकोटा की बात कर रहे हैं. Let's talk about seals. Seals were used to make a sealing, a positive imprint like this modern resin. It was used in ancient time for trades. Also, एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात मैं अब आप लोगों को बताने वाली हूँ कि the discovery relates to the seals more than 2000 in numbers, made of soapstone, terracotta and copper. कि 2000 थी वो नंबर्स में, जिसमें हमारी ये जो चीज़ें थी वो इंक्लूडेड थी. किन किन चीज़ों से वो बनी गई थी. लास्टली जो सील्स थी दैट वर इन रेक्टेंगुलर, सर्कुलर और इवन सिलेंड्रिकल इन शेप. Also, most of the seals have a knob at the back through which runs a hole. Let's talk about faience. Faience is a material that is artificially produced. अब हम इसके कलर की बात करते हैं. The color of the glaze were usually blue or sea green. आप देख सकते हैं कि इन्होंने ये जो पिक्चर बनाई है, ये जो हमें अब एक आर्ट इनका देख रहे हैं, that they were so much talented. और faience was used to make beads, bangles, earrings and tiny vessels. अब हम इनके इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में बात करेंगे. जो हमारे हिस्टोरिकल्स ने डिस्कवर किया था वो ये था कि उनके ट्रेडिंग नेटवर्क दोनों तरफ से, विच इज़ इंटरनल विद इन द कंट्री एंड एक्सटर्नल मीन्स फॉरेन. लास्टली हमें इसके बारे में ये भी पता चलता है कि दैट चीफ मीन्स ऑफ इनलैंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन वॉज बुलक कार्ट. Okay, the inscription refers to trade with Delman, Magan and Meluha. Sources of raw material. Thus, Rajasthan region is rich in copper deposits. Copper mainly from Khetri mines. Religion की बात करते हैं. एक बहुत अच्छा और इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है रिलीजन. ऐसा क्या आज भी हमें पता है रिलीजन तो क्या होता है रिलीजन, तो हम इनके रिलीजन के बारे में जानते हैं. इट इज़ considered as a secular society. इनकी एक जो सोसाइटी थी it was secular. Also people worship mother goddess, पशुपति महादेवा और प्रोटोशिवा, लिंगम, योनि worship, people tree, humped bull, birds and one horned unicorn, the mystery animal. Okay, let's talk about other key features. In Kalibangan and Lothal, fire altars were found. Also, let me tell you a very interesting thing, that dead bodies were placed in north-south direction. Also, don't miss this, they were also accompanied by objects. Agriculture की बात करते हैं. They were the first to produce cotton, known as Sindon. The main feature, they also produced and stored grains, which their main features were they grew wheat, barley, horse gram, peas, melon, sesame dates, millets, grapes, garlic and rice in Lothal. Wooden plugs have been discovered at Kalibangan. हम डिक्लाइन की बात करेंगे अब, क्योंकि ये एक थ्योरी ऐसी है कि आज तक यही नहीं पता चला कि डिक्लाइन क्या हुआ था. तो बहुत थ्योरीज है इसके पीछे, इसके कॉजेज बहुत हैं. देखते हैं. आर्यन इन्वेजन था, इकोलॉजिकल डिस्टर्बेंस, चेंज इन रिवर कोर्स, लो रेनफॉल, फ्लड, ड्राइंग ऑफ घाघर एंड इंक्रीजिंग एरिडिटी, अर्थक्वेक एंड लास्टली नेचुरल कैलेमिटी. इसको आज भी माना जाता है कि नेचुरल कैलेमिटी की वजह से ही जो था हरप्पन का डिक्लाइन स्टार्ट हुआ. ओके, या having covered the different aspects of Harappan civilization, let me sum up the whole thing by taking the different sites and their specialities. The same thing will be uploaded in our description box in PDF format. You can download it. Let's talk about our first site, which is Harappa, state Pakistan, Punjab, river Ravi. Speciality, 2 rows of 6 granaries. Evidence of coffin burial and cemetery age culture. Mohenjo-daro, Pakistan, Indus. Great Bath, of course our favorite, bronze dancing girl. Lothal, Gujarat, Bhogava and Sabarmati river confluence. House with entrance on the main street. Town not divided into 2 sectors. Kalibangan, Ghagar, plug field, bones of camel. Chanhodaro, Pakistan, near Mohenjo-daro, Indus. Evidence of human sacrifice, clay model of 4-wheeler. Rangpur, Gujarat, Madar river, yellow and grey color pots of pre-Harappan people. Banawali, Haryana, center of pre-Harappan, mature Harappan as well as late Harappan civilization, high quality of barley. Alimgirpur, Meerut, Hindon, late Harappan culture and pottery and beads. Koti Diji, Sindh, Gure Fazil, pre-Harappan site, house made of stone. Amri, Sindh, Gure Faisal Ahmad, pre-Harappan settlement, late Harappan and fire altar. Ropar, Punjab, Satluj, cemetery seal, evidence of burying dog below human. Sarkotada, Gujarat, bones of horse and graveyard. Sukta Gandor, Sindh, river, Dasht and Dashak river, ash-filled pot and had trade links with Babylon. Dholavia, Gujarat, Gujarat water reservoir, large scale use of sandstone along mud bricks. And lastly, Rakhigadi, Haryana, over 350 hectares with new finds of 2 additional mounds, making it the largest Indus Valley civilization site and town in the world. Lastly, हम बात करने वाले हैं इनके लेटेस्ट डेवलपमेंट्स की जो हमारे हिस्टोरियंस ने अभी डिस्कवर किया है. वो ये है कि जो हमारी इंडस वैली है वो एटलीस्ट 8000 ईयर्स ओल्ड है and not 5500 years old. The researchers have found evidence of a pre-Harappan civilization that existed for at least 1000 years before like this. Lastly, it is believed that our civilization, Harappan civilization, was ended because of climate change. Okay, thank you so much. We will see you on our next video with another fresh lecture. Till then, keep watching and revising, and of course if you have any suggestions then you can mention in the comment section below. Thank you so much.